Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the Y22, and as we promised, we are going to install the support app for the smartwatch in our iPhone. So we are going to download the support app, okay, and check whether Y22 smartwatch do have a smooth, okay, pairing with the support app in the iPhone or the iOS platform. So we are going to use our old iPhone here, but still good and very reliable when it comes to the installation of the app. Okay, so let's check whether our Y22 smartwatch works or installed paired smoothly with the support app available in our iPhone. Okay, so we have here the user manual, although we already have here the support app. Okay, let me focus in here. It's DaFit app, okay, available in Android 5.1 and iOS, okay, 8.0. Okay, so if you happen to lose your user manual, it's also available here in the user manual, and of course the QR code is also available here in the smartwatch, as you can see here. Just scan this one, and of course you can download the support app for the iPhone platform or iPhone smartphone. Okay, so we already familiar with the support app. It's the DaFit support app. Okay, let's check if we have installed it here. Seems like it's not. So let's search it here. Okay, in the App Store. DaFit. It's a pretty popular app for affordable smartwatches. Okay, so let's check. So seems like it's not. As you can see here, it's not installed. So let's download it. Available in health and fitness category. Okay, with how many downloads here for the iOS. So we don't have the details here, but it's a pretty popular app with millions of downloads in the Android platform. Okay, so let's install. Okay, while we are waiting for the installation. Okay, hey, again, this is your Y22 smartwatch, and as you can see here, the chic, fashionable smartwatch, metal body, full color screen with a crown button here on the side. Okay, quick release pin for the sporty strap. Okay, so the app is already installed, as you can see here. So let's open the app. Okay, so still haven't activated the Bluetooth connectivity here, so let's start from scratch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch and the pairing of the DaFit app in iPhone, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries if we do have the time. Here, DaFit would like to send you notifications, so it is asking for a permission. Just allow it. Okay, so it seems like let's fill up this one. Okay, just put the fictitious data here. Okay, so we'll not be wasting our time. Anyway, it's just a demo. Okay, so that's it. We are now on the UI of the smartwatch. Okay, let's fix this first. Okay, so here is the overall UI. So we have the steps, okay, the activity tracking here. You have the profile here on the bottom part, and this one on the center, this is your device. And as you can see here, it says that you have not linked a device. Okay, so notifications, alarm, shutter, others, and upgrade, you can set it after you paired your smartwatch, in our case the Y22 smartwatch, to the support app. So let's check. Okay, add a device. So here it is asking for permission. Allow DaFit to access your location. Okay, so only while using the app. So here it warns that we haven't activated our Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is off. Please enable Bluetooth on your device. Okay, so let's activate it. Okay, so retry. So let's check. So we have here the Y22 Smartwatch, spotted right away by the support app, very fast. If you want to connect it and pair it with the support app, just tap on it. And let's see. Okay, we are done connecting. So here, another pairing request. Y22 would like to pair with your iPhone. And that's it. We are done. Your watch has been bound. In order to realize the call function, please manually connect the watch to call Bluetooth in the Bluetooth settings of mobile phone system. Okay, so if you want to use the Bluetooth connectivity or the Bluetooth call functionality, you can set it there. Okay, based on the instructions. So we have here the watch faces notifications. Let's see if it's activated or not. So it's already activated, as you can see here, and we are done. Okay, that's it. Let's check if there's an upgrade. Your software is up to date. Other functions here, you can set the 12-hour to 24-hour format time. We have here dynamic heart rate monitoring. Can set it on. Can also set the battery saving and the find device. Let's see. Okay, I can feel some vibration here, and that's it. Okay, for the watch faces, we already demoed it before, so we have here a lot of options in the support app. You can download and install the app. Okay, for example, let's have an example for the iPhone. Okay, let's pick a much more professional looking watch face here. Okay, let's pick a digital watch face. Okay, we still have other digital watch faces here. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, so here is our watch face. Just download it and it will be pushed directly to our Y22 smartwatch, as you can see here, with a progress bar to see the status of your downloads. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, we have successfully downloaded our watch face. Okay, from DaFit app to our Y22 smartwatch in the iPhone smartphone. Okay, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the installation of the support app, whether in Android or iPhone, okay, that's iOS, with our Y22 smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if you have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Goodbye.